I'm going to show you the test result of my updated pedal drive. But before that, I'm very excited to show you one idea I have. About 6 years ago, when I first learned how to pedal a canoe, I learned a stroke called the J stroke. And then there's another stroke called the Indian stroke, which I push the pedal down. At the end of the stroke, I turn it sideways. Instead of lifting the pedal up above the water, I just allow it to stay in the water and move it upward again and repeat the same stroke. I believe my next pedal drive can implement this motion easily. I also believe the result will be better than what I have done so far with my current pedal drive. I will build a demo to illustrate that concept in my next video. Please subscribe so that you will not miss my next video. Thank you. In this update, I add about 2.5 feet long arm to the fin, and I hope this will propel the boat better than my first implementation. The long arm is a little bit more bulky than I would like it to be. Luckily, it's still easy to install. There was no problem running with the current, and also the current was relatively strong. Even with the current, the overall speed is still too slow. Occasionally, I use the pedal to steer the boat. When running against the current, I used my hands to do the pedaling for better control of the strokes. For a few seconds, the boat was able to maintain its position. However, I could not steer the boat, and the current pushed the boat sideways and then backward. With this update, I still couldn't propel the boat against the current. I will stop here and focus my effort on my new idea. That is my Gen 2 pedal drive design. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or give me some feedback. Please subscribe so that you will not miss my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.